Hello everyone and welcome to another episode of Insider Financial Talks Penny Stocks. My name is Alex Carlson. I will be your host today. I'm the editor-in-chief of InsiderFinancial.com, and today we're going to be discussing VERU, ETEK, BFRI, CRTD, HSTO, PTE, RVVTF, ATER, IGEX, TRVI, and KGKG. But before we get into that, we have a few housekeeping issues to go over. We have no business relationship with any company whose stock is mentioned in this video. Insider Financial and myself are not investment advisors, and this video does not provide investment advice. Always do your own research, make your own investment decisions, or consult with your nearest financial advisor. This video is not a solicitation or recommendation to buy, sell, or hold securities. This video is our opinion, is meant for informational and education purposes only, and does not provide investment advice. For more information, please read our full disclaimer at insiderfinancial.com/disclaimer. With out of the way, remember to smash the thumbs up button if you like this video. Also hit the red subscribe button and the little notification bell to be notified when we go live with the new video. So go over to signup.insiderfinancial.com. This is where subscribers get first look at stocks recovering. These are day and swing trade short-term momentum penny stock alerts. After you sign up with your email, you can then sign up with your mobile number. It works for all numbers worldwide. Simply enter your country code first, followed by your number. For US and Canada, be 1 plus area code and number. Never begin the format with 0. It does not work. It will not work. And since we release all of our profiles at the opening bell, text messages are the fastest way to get our alerts. You can also click the red download ebook to get the free Insider Financial Guide to Penny Stocks ebook. Our ebook, our email service, and our text messaging service are all free services from InsiderFinancial.com. We do not run any paid subscription service whatsoever. With that out of the way, let's dive in here, folks. First up, last trading day of the week, Holy Thursday, before the Good Friday holiday. Markets will be closed on Friday, and we have an Easter surprise for our subscribers. We've identified what we think is the mother of all bounces. It's trading on the OTC under 5 cents. That's the hint we're giving. We suggest you go over to signup.insiderfinancial.com. This way you get the full report, the ticker symbol, and the full report on this prime bounce play. We are calling a bottom on this play at insiderfinancial.com. Not financial advice. You get the full report, do your own due diligence, and then go from there. Today, I'm going to run through this real quick, wrap up this week. First up is VERU. Pre-market, our biotech analyst, Chris Sandberg, was out with an article on VERU. Stock closed up 42%. Congrats to all who banked today on VERU. Next up is ETEK, 00, up 34%. Merger news coming, and there's some smart people on the OTC that have been all over this one. Tactical trading, John R. Spano. John is really knows what he's doing. Great Zalmi at Great Stock Picks. Berkshire Capital Group is talking about this, and they're saying it's Emergent LLC's next merger play of the year is ETEK. Sarah, OTC for Life, talking about OTC filings out. She's watching this. So definitely ETEK is one you need to start paying attention to. Again, 00, great risk reward setup here. Next up is BFRI. This is a prime short squeeze play. 22% of the float is short. There are just 3.6 million shares in the float out of 10 million shares outstanding. Great play here. They were out in news today. They announced FDA approval of Biofrontera Pharma GmbH as a contract laboratory for MLUs. So big news, contributed to the move up 34%, but we think this one has more room to run because it can really squeeze the shorts. Next up is CRTD. This one up 33%. Mr. Zach Morris is out pumping it. I've been talking about him he knows what he's doing. But, you know, you got to ride his pumps. But, you know, don't be a bag holder because the dump will be coming. Case in point, his 2 pumps from yesterday were HSTO, closed down 6%. And then his big pump was PTE, down 30% on the day. So here, guys, you had the load phase, the pump rallied to 50 cents, and then the dump. So, you know, you got to understand these patterns. You know, you got to play these promoters. You got to play the momentum. Don't be a bag holder. Day trade it. Don't even swing trade it. You know, if you can, when he first starts talking about it, you can do the overnight, the after hours. Because that's when a lot of the pump happens, is in the after hours and the pre-market, and then that's when the dump comes. So, you know, that's one way you can play it. But, you know, if the second day of the pump, you don't want to be holding this overnight. It's just bad business. So again, remember, guys, you're in the make money business. You're not in the diamond hands, paper hands BS. Just, you know, churn them and burn them, as in the movie Wall Street. You know, just make that money, move on to the next play. Don't fall in love with anything. Next up is RVVTF. I talked about this one in the video yesterday. Someone loaded up. They knew what was happening here. It was at 12 cents. It's a double. They released big new phase 3 clinical trial for busulfamide in COVID-19. They released this on the 11th, and the stock has been running ever since. Sorry guys, it's getting a little late here. Someone was loading up here on the 6th. The news hit on the 11th, and then we just kept continuation. Next up is ATER. Guys, I've been talking about this one for the past week now, up 65% for this week. Congrats to all who banked on ATER. And you can go over here and just type in any symbol in the magnifying glass and take a look at our full coverage. It's all here on insiderfinancial.com. I also post all my videos on this site, so now you can see I've been talking about ATER over and over again lately, and it's been hot. And congrats to all who have made money in ATER. Next up is IGEX. Nice move up off 0.002. We're running into resistance at a penny. We had a dump here yesterday, but a nice recovery. Like that price action. It seems to have a big following on social media. There's an IGEX army brewing, so there's a lot to like with IGEX. We had an article out yesterday on it. Right there on the homepage, IGEX. And this tweet here, IGEX can get real interesting fast if IGEX official drops any merger news, with short interest being 74%. So definitely a short play here, and a lot to like. It's going to be known as the mineral company. So a lot to like with IGEX. Next up is TRVI. I've been talking about this one quite a bit, guys, as well. Again, go over here and just type in the symbol TRVI, and you can see the 3 videos that I've been talking about this one, and it's just been a runner after bottoming out at 46 cents. This was just in February where it bottomed. So been a big performer, and congrats to all who've listened and banked on TRVI. We got a wedge breakout here. Look at this trend line here. You got running into trend line resistance. We close above 320, and this one's really going to get interesting. So again, I've been talking on the channel about Finviz, FINVIZ.com. It's a great resource. The trend lines are all drawn for you. It's clear, and it's a great way to trade. You know, learn to follow trend line support, trend line resistance. It'll make your life a lot easier, and it will make you much more profitable. With that being said, last one here is KGKG. Guys, I've been talking about this one. Big runner. but it topped out here, and then you got the dump here yesterday. Again, don't fall in love with any of these plays. It's all about the make money business. It's rallied from 0.006 to almost 0.034. Big runner. You got to book profits along the way. You can't get greedy. I mean, this has been the biggest runner on the OTC over the past month and a half. This was bound to happen. So guys, just always be booking profits. Don't this one will probably it was an ugly close. I expect more weakness in KGKG. So again, big dump today. Guys, don't wait around for the dump. You got to be putting out offers on the ask, letting the market take you out, and selling along the way at higher prices. So that's what you have to do, and that you will last a lot longer in this business if you start learning to book profits when you can. All right, guys. Well, we got a big Easter surprise with the mother of all bounce plays coming at the opening bell. Make sure you are a subscriber at signup.insiderfinancial.com with your email and your mobile number. Text messaging is the fastest way to get our reports. It's delivered instantaneous via SMS. You click on the link. The full report is there for you at the opening bell, and then you can make your own trading decision, own investment decision, because we are not financial advisors. With that being said, good luck to all subscribers at the opening bell. Want to wish everyone a nice day off. Happy Easter, Passover, whatever you celebrate. If you don't, just enjoy if you don't celebrate anything, just enjoy the long weekend. Wish everyone the best. And I'll be coming live to you over the weekend with a weekend recap. Thank you, everyone. Have a wonderful day. Happy Thursday, and good luck to all subscribers today. Bye-bye.